This is Harshaa from Chennai. I currently work at Freshworks for the product Freshcaller, and I work as a product specialist. I think the most challenging piece would be striking work from home balance, because work from home setup is quite contrary to the office workspace in terms of, focused work or the workstation in itself, face-to-face communication, and, probably sticking to a particular routine. In retrospect, playing foosball at office or, striking hallway conversation with colleagues seems like a dream now. Yeah, I'm sure that not all of us would feel, very uplifted 100% all the time. Whenever I'm not feeling my best, I try to divert my attention towards activities that would actually lift my spirits up. On weekends, I always consciously put my phone and laptop aside, and I try to do digital detox. I, spend time doing yoga. That gives me a lot of mental peace. And then I try to do baking. I water plants at home. And, I also jot down itineraries for my upcoming trip, since COVID has put a halt to all our travel plans. Yeah, definitely. I think firstly it would be my family, because if I had been staying alone, it would have been a completely different scenario. But given that I'm spending a lot of time with my family, I feel that has brought in a lot of positivity, assurance, and also comfort. And in another angle, I feel Freshworks as a company has been very prudent. They've been taking a lot of wonderful initiatives to ensure that all of us are in a good mental space in regard to physical, emotional health, and also wellness. I think you definitely need to take enough breaks in a day so that, it's not very overwhelming. And, I'm just saying what I do: eat a lot of healthy food, do a bit of exercise, and sleep on time, so that, you're in good shape. You can take up a new hobby and also refrain from being glued to screen the entire day, because that will only overtire you. For that question, I think I'd like to break it down into 3 points. The first 2 would be related to, work, and the third one being related to personal space. I would like to ascribe first point to my role, that is putting customers first. It would be supporting customers, exhibiting empathy and understand where they're coming from. And it would also be driving their issues into solutions or workarounds in a stipulated period of time, while making the most out of customers' time. I think that brings a great joy to me. And, the other point would be related to putting myself and my team first, which is, utilizing the resources that I have at hand and helping myself as well as my teammates, and also bring out my potential to ensure that I bring a lot to the table and add more value to the team. The last one would be related to personal life. That would be being more kind to myself as well as to my close-knit circle, and, being less judgmental, hearing people out, and also whenever they need you, be available to them emotionally as well as monetarily. Thank you.